In this video, I'll tell you about logging into StatCrunch. In a web browser, go to the website StatCrunch.com. In it, you will click on, in the upper right corner, Sign In or Register. On this page, you'll log in with your same login information as you did when you logged into My Labs for Canvas, and then click Sign In. All right, so I have logged in now. You'll see the window looks about the same as it did before. Right up in the middle is a button that says Open StatCrunch. All right, so here we are. This is the layout of StatCrunch. Up across the top, you'll see a bunch of drop-down menus, like some applets that you can use, which are really fun. You can edit your data. Kind of works like a spreadsheet. You can load your data and manipulate your data. We're not going to do that very often. The favorite buttons that you're going to be using in this class are Stat, which are the calculators, summary stats, and some of these other statistics down here like Z and T stats, and also regression, and then graph. So with the graphing, you can make bar charts, pie charts, histograms, stem and leaf, box plot, dot plot. QQ plot is something we might see, and that's about it. To get started putting in data, I'm going to copy some data from a spreadsheet, and then I'll just paste it into StatCrunch. Let's say that you have your data in a spreadsheet, like I have here. This is data that I had students collect a couple of years ago, and they took their forehead temperature, and then they used different types of thermometers, and I had them record their data. So I'm just going to copy and paste some of these numbers. I'm going to copy the titles, and then I'm just going to grab some data points here and push a Command-C or Control-C to copy the data. And then back into StatCrunch, I'll select this upper left corner of all of these cells, and then I'm going to paste the data. So I just pushed Command-V or Control-V, and all the data pasted over. I like to keep row 1 to be the variable names when I paste in the data, and then what I'll do is rename the variables up at the top. So in the gray bar where it says var1, var2, var3, this is where I can put my variable names. So I'm going to write temp, just a quick variable name, and then I'll work on the fourth variable, and I'm going to label that thermometer. So to change a variable name, all you have to do is click on the variable that's gray, just with a single click, and then you can delete to edit the name. And then what I need to do then is delete the row that has the words in it, because you can't do math on the words, so we need to get rid of the data there. You can go up to Edit and then Rows Delete. That's one way to do that. And then it gets rid of the one row, all of it. There, now I have all the numbers and some words, so I can get started with doing some analysis, which we'll do in another video.